everyone, my name is Rihanna and welcome to my channel. This hair is from the TXIXS store on Amazon and it comes packaged like so. It also comes with 2 wig caps and adjustable hair bands. The wig is a honey blonde 4/27 color, body wave Brazilian Remy hair, a 13x4 lace front, 180% density, and it's 26 inches. And as I ran my fingers through the wig, I did get some shedding, but the hair is bouncy and feels really thick and full. The color of the wig is also so pretty. The hair is mainly a brown color, but it has highlights of blonde throughout it. And the ends of the hair also seem pretty full, not too thin at all. And the wig does smell good, but it smells like that because of these aromatherapy tablets that came in the bag with the hair. Again, this is a 13x4 lace front, and this is how the lace looks on my complexion. And on the inside of the wig, you have 4 combs and adjustable straps at the bottom of it. I put the wig on my wig stand and used my flat iron to curl the hair on 410 degrees Fahrenheit.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink.
So I curled the hair, and the hair curled well. The curls are really defined, but I think I need to get a large curling iron. If you know of a good one to get, please let me know in the comments. And here's a close-up of the lace. I didn't pluck it or bleach it, but the hair did shed a little as I was curling it, and there is something in the hair that made my flat iron feel sticky. So I put my wig cap on, and don't judge me, but I have some really thick braids underneath it. It's always better to have thinner braids under your wig. But I used this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, color 360, and a large makeup brush. And I applied the foundation on the lace where I was going to part the wig. This will help the lace to better match my skin tone. Then I put the wig on, and it did fit a little snug. That may also be because of how thick my braids were. After that, I just adjusted the wig and cut off the lace. Next, I used this Got2b Ultra Glue Gel to glue the lace down. Keep in mind that I keep my wigs on for a few hours to a day at the most. Then I used this small makeup brush and my foundation to make the lace on the front of the wig and on my side part blend better with my complexion and look more natural. After that, I attempted to do my baby hairs. I tried to style them a little different than I usually do. I used Style Factor Edge Booster and my edge brush to create those baby hairs. And for the right side, I just did a little swoop and I didn't cut any of the hair. But I always see people cutting the hair in their wig tutorial videos to make the baby hair, so I wanted to try to cut the hair on my left side and create baby hairs that way. But I ended up having a lot of trouble and kept cutting the hair shorter and shorter, and it was everywhere and all over me. It took some time, but I ended up getting the hair to cooperate, and the baby hairs look alright. Next, I use this She Is Bomb hair wax stick to tame any flyaways near my part and to make the hair at the top of the wig lay flatter. Then I finger combed and plucked the curls out. And the hair shed a little. Lastly, I tied the wig down with a scarf. So this is the final look of the wig, and I think it turned out so cute. The colors in the wig really look good with my complexion as well. I also love the length of the wig. I tend to like longer wigs in general though. But the hair is frizzier than I would like. As you can see, it's just like little frizzy pieces of hair sticking out everywhere. The part looks okay, but I do wish I was able to part the hair back further. And the hair feels a little funny to me, like the ends of the hair may tangle, and the hair also feels a little crunchy at the ends of it as well. But the wig itself does look nice and full, and the hair is bouncy. Overall, I really do like the wig, but let me know what you thought of the wig and if you'd wear it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.